Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilfred Billy Heaven has shot down claims that the recent appointments of Jamaicans to the board and staff of Cricket West Indies was due to the association's decision to back the petition in the recent Cricket West Indies election. Daniel Blake tells us more.
Robert Haynes as interim chairman of selectors, Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilfred Billy Heaven as chairman of the Finance Committee, and Senator Don Webby as chairman of the Corporate Governance Task Force have all been given roles with Cricket West Indies in the past 2 weeks. But despite those appointments which followed Jamaica's backing of Ricky Skerritt in the CWI presidential elections, the JCA president has pointed out there are no favors being handed out.
There are 6 territories that are owners of CWI, for those of us who are not aware. So we are not going into it as Jamaica expecting any favors. We are going in there that we will be treated on merit, we will not be set aside, and that there's a level playing field. As you know, literally cricket is played on a level playing field, and we are expecting that, but we are not looking for favors from CWI.
With that said, Heaven says he will remain optimistic about the board's finances despite the speculations around some spending by the previous administration.
I am not going to speculate about challenges. I'm not anticipating any such thing. My approach has always been, as an accountant and a financier, is to look at the numbers, look at the books, look at the records, see what exists, and how we can make that better.
In the meantime, with Cricket West Indies having to settle with coaches for early dismissals in the past, President Ricky Skerritt says he stands by the decision to part ways with the previous coaching staff, including head coach Richard Pybus.
We have made cricket decisions in the interest of the best possible performance over the next few months and beyond. And obviously, we'll never know because we won't be able to compare one versus the next. It's a whole different ball game when you're playing in English conditions. And that is why it was important to get the best support team together, the best cricketers together, and do the kind of preparation that they're doing right now to make them perform the best that they can perform when they go abroad.
The Caribbean side is expected to name their squad for the ICC World Cup by next week. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.